Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to turn off your phone. So hold power button, volume up, then select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. This boots us into boot mode, and here using volume buttons to navigate, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then press power button to confirm it. Next we will probably see the Android with no command. Once we do, just make sure that we actually have that here. Yep, we do. So hold power button once you see this and press volume up once, and this then redirects us to the recovery mode. In here you will need to use volume buttons again to navigate up or down, as you can see, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, reboot to bootloader. So reboot system mode takes us back to Android, bootloader takes us back to the previous screen. Then we have also fast boot mode, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run test, and power off. Now I'm going to select the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.